In the new BMW X1 and X2 with iDrive 8, turning on the seat heating and steering wheel heating is actually much faster than going through the climate menu. Let me show you a quick trick. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the temperature controls for the driver and passenger. If you simply tap on the temperature number, like this, a quick climate menu opens immediately. From here, you can quickly activate seat heating with one tap. You can also turn on the heated steering wheel, depending on your vehicle's equipment. This shortcut makes it much easier to access the most common climate functions without navigating through multiple menus. If you want to adjust the temperature manually, you can use the plus and minus buttons right next to the temperature display. Just tap plus to increase the temperature or minus to decrease it. So, with this quick shortcut, you can instantly open the climate menu, activate seat heating or steering wheel heating, and adjust the temperature in seconds. It's a small feature, but once you know it, it makes using the climate system in the new BMW X1 and X2 much faster and more convenient.